This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joanna Arce. Welcome to this spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home. This home features an open concept floor plan with a seamless flow between the kitchen, living, and dining area that is perfect for entertaining and everyday living. The master bedroom offers a private retreat complete with a master bathroom and walk-in closet. Additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or home office. Step outside and enjoy a spacious, open backyard perfect for relaxation and entertaining. This expansive outdoor space offers plenty of room for family gatherings, gardening, or simply soaking up the sun. A 2-car garage adds convenience and ample storage. Home is located in the Vista Palms community where you can enjoy resort-style amenities including a sparkling community pool, pickleball courts, spa/hot tub, and 24-hour gym access. The HOA also includes lawn care, giving you more time to enjoy all the community has to offer. This home is just minutes from Walmart, Aldi, Publix, Wawa, and I-75, ensuring easy access to shopping, dining, and commuting. Don't miss the opportunity to make this great home yours in one of the area's most desirable communities. For more information,